10 foods that help ease your arthritis pain. Adding these simple foods to your diet can make a big difference. Food can be a form of medicine. If you're dealing with arthritis pain, incorporating foods with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic properties into your diet, alongside any medications or treatments prescribed by your doctor, might offer some relief. Although research is still ongoing, scientists have already identified certain foods that may help reduce inflammation and pain associated with arthritis. Here are 10 foods recommended by Dunn that could potentially ease your arthritis symptoms and boost your heart health. 1. Green tea. Green tea is rich in nutrients and antioxidants, and it can help reduce inflammation, according to Dunn. Animal studies have also shown that it may lessen both the frequency and severity of rheumatoid arthritis. To take advantage of its benefits, aim for 2 servings a day, whether hot or cold. Opt for tea bags rather than powdered mixes, which are more processed. If you choose decaffeinated green tea, ensure that the decaffeination process is natural. 2. Salmon, tuna, sardines and mackerel. These fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which research has shown can help reduce inflammation. The Arthritis Foundation recommends eating a 3 to 4 ounce portion of these fish 2 or more times a week to support heart health and decrease inflammation. If fresh fish is too expensive, consider opting for frozen varieties or canned sardines, salmon, or tuna. When choosing canned options, select those with lower sodium to help manage your sodium intake. 3. Berries, apples, and pomegranates. Berries are packed with antioxidants, and the Arthritis Foundation highlights that blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, cranberries, raspberries, and boysenberries all offer arthritis-fighting benefits. Whether fresh, frozen, or dehydrated, without added sugar, incorporating a variety of berries into your diet throughout the week will provide health advantages. Apples are also rich in antioxidants and fiber, offering a crunchy texture that can help satisfy cravings for unhealthy snacks. Additionally, pomegranates, which are considered berry fruits, contain tannins that can combat arthritis-related inflammation. You can enhance your diet by adding pomegranates to salads or mixing them into plain yogurt for extra benefits. 4. Vegetables. Enhance your diet by incorporating anti-inflammatory vegetables like cauliflower, mushrooms, Brussels sprouts, and broccoli, whether fresh or frozen. These can be added to stir-fries, salads, or enjoyed as healthy side dishes. Although significant dietary changes won't occur immediately, gradually introducing a range of arthritis-friendly foods can positively impact your overall health and aid in managing arthritis pain. 5. Canola and olive oils. Instead of using vegetable or corn oil, opt for these 2 alternatives that offer a balanced mix of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are crucial for health. Research indicates that oleocanthal, a compound in olive oil, possesses anti-inflammatory properties and is particularly beneficial for heart health as well. 6. Ginger and turmeric. Ginger and turmeric are recognized for their anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to the compounds they contain. These spices are commonly used in Chinese and Indian cuisine. While scientific recommendations for daily or weekly intake of ginger and turmeric usually involve supplements, adding a moderate amount of these spices to your meals or beverages can offer some health benefits and enhance the flavor of your dishes. Additionally, a small amount of ginger can aid in soothing an upset stomach. 7. Nuts. Nuts are rich in protein, low in saturated fats, and free of cholesterol, unlike animal-based proteins. You can enjoy them on their own or incorporate them into yogurt, salads, or other healthy dishes for an added protein boost. Swapping out a serving of meat for just a quarter cup of nuts can help you reduce the inflammation often associated with red meat consumption. Additionally, nuts provide a good source of fiber, which meat does not. Opt for unsalted nuts to keep your sodium intake in check. 8. Whole grains. Whole grains can be quite exciting and diverse. From quinoa and farro to bulgur, there are numerous options to include in your diet. These grains provide essential nutrients and fiber that only whole grains naturally offer. To benefit from them, the Arthritis Foundation suggests consuming between 3 and 6 ounces of whole grains daily. Use them as alternatives to more typical side dishes like white rice. Consider exploring less common whole grains such as frika, a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine, or teff, used in Ethiopian flatbread. 9. Salsa. Incorporating salsa into your daily diet is an excellent way to boost your intake of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, thanks to its blend of tomatoes, onions, and other vegetables. Consider using salsa as a vegetable dip instead of high-calorie dressings commonly available in stores. 10. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a popular treat, but large-scale randomized controlled trials have not established a specific quantity for its anti-inflammatory benefits. If you like dark chocolate, choose varieties with at least 70% cocoa content, as higher cocoa percentages mean less sugar. To manage saturated fat and calorie intake, keep portions small. For example, a half ounce of dark chocolate per day provides a rich flavor and enjoyable chocolate experience. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.